Hello friends, now we'll study data types in C programming languages. Which are the different data types in C programming languages? Each variable in C has an associated data type. Each variable in C programming language has what? Associated data type. Each variable must declare with some data type. Okay. Each data type requires different amount of memory and has some specific operations which can be performed over it. Okay, each data types require what? Some amount of memory. We need some memory to store the values. Okay, normally variables are declared with data types. Okay, so different data types have different memory. Int have 2 bytes, float have 4 bytes, character 1 byte, like this. There are different memory of different data types. Following are the examples of some very common data types used in C. Okay, actually there are many types are there. Just we'll study only 4 types. So, okay. First, char, the most basic data type in C. Okay, it stores a single character. Okay, actually in previous video I explained about these data types. Char, this data type used for to store single character and require a single byte of memory in almost all compilers. See, for example, char test equal to h, a letter h. Okay, so here variable name is text, data type is char. Okay, the value is what? H. Then similarly int for integer numbers. As the name suggests, as an int variable is used to store an integer, only whole numbers, it not contain any decimal point number. Example, id, age equal to 25. Okay, id is equal to 5, like this. Then float, it is used to store decimal numbers. If you want decimal numbers, you need float data types. Numbers with floating point values with single precision. For example, float salary. Okay, like this. Means example 100.50, 1000.50, like this. Okay, 1000 rupees point 50 paisa. Okay, if it is a decimal point, we have to use data type float. Double, it is used to store decimal numbers with floating point values with double precision. Okay, so float and double both are for decimal numbers. Okay, but float for only few decimal point, but double for many decimal point. Example, after point you can include 10, 15 decimal point, but in float it is very limited to 4 to 5 decimal point. See, for example, here int for only integer, no decimal point. Float you can include decimal point. Char you can only for character. Okay, then char with more number of letters, means that if 10 means 10 letters you can include. Okay, ABC means for string. Okay, so integer values displays 10, floating point value 4.14, constant a, this is string ABC. Clear, no? So int is one data type for only integer number, float data type for decimal point, char for letters, only one letter. If you want more than one letter, you have to include this subscript. Within that you have to mention how many characters you want. Okay, 10 means maximum 10 characters you can write. Clear, no? Okay. Yes, thank you.